We're in today with the 8600 GT. This is a 2007 video card with 32 shaders. It's got 512 megabytes of VRAM DDR2 running at 576 megahertz on the core clock, 400 megahertz on the memory clock, 128 bits bus width, DirectX 10, and today we're gonna pair it up with this Intel Core 2 Quad Q9650 with 4 cores and 4 threads. Let's jump in a couple of games and see how this system is holding with this video card. You know, it's going to be a very true hard test on this computer and this video card. Jump in GTA 4. I want to see how the CPU is holding, because I know this game is it's a monster for loading up the video card and the CPU. I got like 50% load on the CPU with 53 degrees. I'm actually surprised that it's holding very well, because I have a big 120 fan on a radiator, and seeing this cooler doing its job on 53 degrees, I can't say nothing bad about it, seriously. So on the CPU side, I'm good with the thermals, you know. The load is okay-ish theoretically. 1.8 gig of system RAM utilized. I mean, this is by far the best thing I can do for this system, seriously. Jump into this game. I got 150 watts consumption. Not the prettiest game, seriously, to look at, because it's on lowest resolution. Everything is off with the details, because I knew this video card is not gonna push too much. In this case, by the way, the video card, 99% load on the video card, 302 megabytes of VRAM utilized. Considering I have DDR2 with this video card, you can actually see it's being utilized a little. It's got 500, but 300 is utilized. And I think that 576 megahertz, it's the cause of the VRAM utilization. But even like this, the video card is a low, how should I say, it's a single slot video card with passive cooling on it. It doesn't have a fan on it, and it's a very interesting and good idea as a video card, because it doesn't make any noise, you know. It's good that it doesn't consume any more power, you know, to deliver that thermal. In this situation, passive cool, you know, can do the job. 66 degrees, you know, 67, and I want to see how much temperature is gonna reach. It's a good thing to test this system and this video card in this game. Seriously, it's a very stressful game, and I can't say nothing bad about it, because it does the job. It does exactly what I want. Utilizes the hardware, and in this case, it's utilizing it. Look at it. Freaking awesome. In STALKER with 1080p, low details and static light, I got 60 FPS. I mean, I got like 60-70% load on the video card score. I played a little to see how much I can arrange this. This is the most important thing, to see how the video card is holding here, you know. So if you have VSync activated, like I have, I can put this video card with higher quality. I can put this video card with more light effect in this situation. Because I'm on static light, I can go near to full dynamic light, you know, and maybe lower the resolution and get everything. But no, 1080p with low details, with without any effects, it feels very standard game, you know, like a game I will play today, you know, on a normal machine. I got 1.1 gig of system RAM utilized here, 150 megabytes of VRAM utilized, 66 degrees from the video card's core. That's actually a good temperature, you know, so you can actually see it's reaching sometimes 70-80% load on the core of the video card. So there is not a lot of juggling here. If I want more details, I have to lower the resolution and put more details, but in this case, you can see, look, 98%, 96% load on the video card score. This is a good thing, you know, for the video card is offering here. This resolution, this quality, it's actually a good setup. The MS is flat. There's some spikes here and there, but that's it. STALKER is one of those games that can actually be played on a video card like this with the system. Very surprised how nice it's working. Not going to lie, this is an awesome performance from this. How about if we're going in Mafia with 1080p and maximum details? This is gonna be a very interesting performance. I got 60% load on the video card score. Everything is good here with this combination. Ooh, nice performance. I got the CPU on the 30% load in some situation, 70% load on the video card's core, 61 degrees, not bad for a video card like this. 212 megabytes of VRAM utilization. The CPU on the other hand, nearly 20% load on the CPU with 47 degrees. 800 megabytes of system RAM utilized here, and it's holding pretty well on the FPS. I mean, it's 62 locked, but this is a different type of performance required here. Awesome performance this video card is offering here. Seriously, not going to lie, this is very adequate for this video card. Right game, the right combination, everything is good with this 8600 GT in this game. Mafia knows how to utilize a computer like this, you know. Mafia knows how to utilize this video card. Can't say nothing bad about it because it does the job. The VRAM and the core load on this video card is not fully utilized at maximum, but it does the job. It does the job exactly how I want. One game that knows how to utilize this combination, it's Need for Speed Underground. On 1024 with high details, apparently the video card is delivering the performance. I like how it looks, I like how it's performing. Apparently the game knows how to utilize the video card. The system is doing the job. I got like nearly 50 degrees on the CPU side with nearly 30% load on the CPU with nearly 700 megabytes of system RAM utilized. This is a different type of breed of game that needs to be put on a machine like this, you know. This is a must, not even a discussion when it comes to a video card like this, you know. 8600 GT without Need for Speed Underground, it's a crime, you understand. You need to have this game for a video card like this. Regardless, in this situation you can actually see the video card is doing a fantastic job on delivering the performance. I mean, you can squeeze more resolution if you're interested from this video card, but you have to lower the quality. I got like 50-60 FPS in this situation, but it's on high details, not on maximum, on high details. If I go higher on the resolution, I think I can put on medium details and it's going to be even better. But all that said, I like the reflection in the game, I like how it looks. The VRAM is not utilized here because it's not a very demanding game in that department, you know. So VRAM size, it's a little irrelevant on the video card. The only thing you need here is fast core on the video card in order to deliver the performance. It's very important to understand the temperature on this video card because it's passive cooled, you know. So imagine having a video card without any fans on it. This is important. Plus, if you want to build a machine that is very retro-ish, you know, or retro side, you know, an old operating system, you don't want it with any fans, don't want any problems, video card like this can actually do the job really nice. Not gonna lie, I really like it, and it feels like I'm being thrown back in time, and it feels good. This is going to be a very interesting performance test for this video card, for this machine, for this game, for this everything. I'm curious how this video card is working here. Usually I'm very mesmerized by it, and I think the best thing I can do is just start playing some games, arrange it, and see how it's performing. Age of Empires, 1080p, low details. Apparently this game, it's a must for me. I want to see how it's performing because based on this, I know how to set up the video card in the future for other games, you know. So Age of Empires with low details is very good. If the video card is got like, for instance, 80 FPS in this situation, it's gonna be good for later because it's doing, how shall I say, it's doing me a favor when I'm fighting because there's a lot of drops in the FPS when you have a large army, you know. So in this situation, I can call this a big win. I can do adjustments here, you know, adjusting the quality and all kinds of stuff in order to get the right performance. I think this is a good computer, you know, CPU wise, GPU wise, the video card is not bad, you know. 8600 GT was back in the days of like an efficient mid-range video card, you know, that was doing fantastic. So yes, Age of Empires really works really nice in this case, so there is no problem on utilizing this, you know. I like it, you know. Even low quality, you can actually see it's an adequate entertainment, you know. If you really want to play the game with higher quality, I think putting it on 720p or lower resolution will be advisable, you know. You got the resource, you got the VRAM, you got the low how shall I say, utilization. Now I'm on 1080p and I got like 60-70% maximum. When I'm going to push it with how shall I say, with some fights, it's gonna be more demanding on this, you know, on the video card, and that's why I got it like this. Interesting performance from this computer with this video card on 1080p with low details in Far Cry. Seriously, this is a very adequate performance. I mean, come on, it's low details. I can't say nothing bad about it because back in the days, low details was like highest quality ever. Seriously, I was just happy that I can play the game, you know. So in this case, 130 FPS with this video card. It's got room for higher quality, but I think on this situation you can see that yeah, sometimes it's good to see high FPS with a video card like this, with a system like this, you know. Very smooth. Oh my god, if I had this FPS when I was a kid, you know, with this game, I would have been, oh my god, this is the best thing ever in my life. Seriously. I'm not joking, seriously. I never had high FPS, so this is for me a big moment, you know, to see it with 70, 80, 100 FPS on average. I maxed out the game, but I put it on 720p. I want to see if the water quality is improved. Oh, definitely. Look at this. 150 megabytes of VRAM utilized. Totally different quality here with 720p. I think that if I go higher than 720p, I'm gonna go under 60 fps, but in this situation you can actually see that it's adequate, you know. Nice performance from this computer with this video card, you know. On the CPU side, I got like 40% load, 53 degrees, 1 gig of system RAM used now, and on the GPU side, maximum load on the video card core, 68 degrees. Very impressive, that passive cooled radiator, you know. Very adequate in this situation. Not gonna lie, passive cooled video card, they were not my thing, but all of a sudden I'm looking into it. Very interesting. Silent GPUs. Not gonna lie, they are intriguing now. 161 megabytes of VRAM utilized. Even the shadows are nice. Look at the texture now. Everything is good now. I got 1080p here. Everything is maxed out aside from anti-aliasing and some shaders in order to get over 60 fps. I'm very surprised how this video card is holding in the system. I'm on 1080p and I like it. Maximum load on the video card's core. I got less than 100 megabytes of VRAM utilized, so I have to take a ride and see if I can load up this video card in the system. On the CPU side, I got like 50 degrees with 35 nearly to 40% load on the CPU side with 880 megabytes of system RAM soon, apparently. Yes, look at that. Nice performance, 80 FPS on average. All is good in this situation with this computer and this video card. I'm gonna reach 100 megabytes of VRAM utilized here. This is gonna be good, because then I can justify the video card's performance. Look at this, F.E.A.R with this video card and this computer. What do you think? 720p, medium details, interesting performance. 66 degrees on this video card, and it looks okay even with medium details. 30% lower, 55 degrees, 80-90 FPS on average. This is not bad from this computer. I like it. I like the performance this computer is offering here. I mean, very interested to see in the future if I can utilize this computer in this type of games, you know, with different type of video cards. It's very important, this computer, because it's got full bandwidth on the PCI Express. The last computer that I was testing had the AGP and PCI Express, but the PCI Express had X4, and I think it was gutting the performance for some old video cards. All in all, I can say that this video card is being utilized properly. I like it. Look at this, nice performance. Looks okay on 720p with medium details, and yeah, can say nothing bad about it. I like the video card 8600 GT, how it's performing, and this quad 9650. Hopefully it's gonna be useful in the future on testing a couple of other video cards. So if I want to test some video cards that requires a little more power from the mainboard and the CPU, I need to come here. The previous that I have, that 6850, I think 6850 QX CPU, had a different type of performance on PCI Express, and maybe it's time to take that one out and see how it's running with other computers. I think their Core 2 Duo will do nice with the AGP video card because it's gonna be fantastic. I need to find a fast dual core CPU, and in this case it's gonna be fine. You know, I'm actually curious which one is better, that 6850 or this 9650. Very interesting performance, seriously. Very interesting performance. That one was working on 3.3. Now it's on 3000 only, this one. I'm gonna see in the future how it's performing, and maybe I'm gonna have to overclock it or swap it. I like it. It's doing a fantastic job, and there is nothing to complain here. Is it worth it? Yes, because they are very cheap, like dirty cheap. A video card like this is not worth nothing today, you know. But if you put it in the right machine like this today, you can put some older titles, you can have some fun. That's it. You can have some fun, build an old machine, retro machine for you, give it away to somebody. Very useful, and it would be much better than making that machine end up in the recycle. Instead of being recycled, you give it purpose. All in all, I like it and I recommend it. If you have any suggestion for this video card or for the system, leave a comment, smash that like button, and I will see you very soon.